From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for May 21st, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. First things first, here on the daily time frame we can see the currency pair has been in a downtrend. The black trend line on the right hand side, recognizing that downtrend, lower highs and lower lows, working all the way down here into the mid 6800s. The green shaded area at the very bottom of the chart. You can see the market finding support there and rebounding and bouncing back up a little bit back into the low or right around 0.6900. The yellow shaded area, 6915, is the top of that area. Follow it back in time to the left hand side of the chart within the uptrend. The yellow zone was resistance. We can see that back here where the black circle is resistance into that yellow zone, eventually getting back above it and moving into the uptrend. So now we're watching that yellow zone as a key indicator of trend direction. I think as long as it stays under the 0.6915 level, top of the yellow zone, and by the way, 618 fib, or not 618, 786 fib of the previous blue trend line, sitting there at 6920 above the yellow zone. As long as it stays underneath all of that, there's potential we see the trend just continue doing what it's doing and continue to go down. Obviously, it'll depend on what the dollar continues to do, but definitely looking at resistance right now into the 0.6915 level. So as long as it's underneath there, there's potential the downtrend continues. Now, the other side of that story is a break above 0.6915, the yellow zone, and we look for some further reversal here for this currency pair. I don't think there's any real reason yet to say that this trend has changed. The downtrend is still intact. Lower highs, lower lows. It's not really any indication that the trend has changed. Is it potential? Is it possible? Sure, but there's no real clue to that yet. I think it must break through 69.15.20 area, the yellow zone, before we can really begin to think about this even as a shorter term uptrend. We've seen some congestion, we've seen some pullback, but not really a change of the trend quite yet. Now, continuation of the trend, of course, would be the push under the green zone in our current support, which it hasn't done that either. So two things we're looking for. Trend-wise, a reversal of trend turning into an uptrend would be a break of 69.15.20, the yellow zone. We look for it to go up. A continuation of the trend would be a break of the green zone, last support, which is right around 68.35, 68.55, and it would continue to downtrend and go down. Until then, we're kind of stuck in here, aren't we? We're in between the yellow zone as resistance and the green zone as support. We need to watch ourselves that we don't get fooled into one of these moves, fooled into a buy and then it turns around into the direction of trend, fooled into a sell, and it has reversal. So what we're going to be watching is this yellow zone closely over the next couple of days. 4-hour time frame doesn't really change any of that. I wish it would make it easier for us, but it really doesn't. At least at this current point, this yellow zone is still the most interesting area to watch here for the New Zealand dollar. Again, sitting within it right now doesn't give us a whole lot of confidence. Is it going to go down? Maybe. Is it going to go up? Maybe. So I think, at least for the intraday today, here on Monday the 21st, we're waiting for a break above or below that yellow shaded area. That's really all we're going to do. We either wait for it to get above to indicate a continuation of the reversal or a turn higher here for the New Zealand dollar, or we look for it to get underneath that yellow shaded area to indicate a return to the downtrend and a continuation back down to the green zone at the bottom of the chart. So the easiest thing, and I think maybe the most safest thing for us to do, is wait for the breakout of the yellow zone above it or below it to give us a clue to our direction for the New Zealand dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.